Hi friend, the recent technology preview of a containerized Red Hat Ansible automation platform has sparked considerable excitement with the tech community. This innovative approach offers a streamlined, feature-rich solution for enterprise-ready automation, gathering interest from both current users and prospects. The journey toward the general availability of this platform has been enriched with valuable feedback, leading to significant enhancement, fixes, and improvement. This article delves into the updates, highlights how you can contribute to more simplified installation process, enhanced security measure, and other notable changes. So let's start addressing. So first of all, we got a further installation simplification. One of the major strides in improving the user experience with the containerized Ansible automation platform is the simplification of the installation process. By leveraging core features of the platform, the need for some command line instruction has been eliminated, making the setup smoother. For example, the ansible.cfg file now automatically sets up the collection path, default inventory file, and logs, as you can see from this article. This adjustment means users no longer have to manually specify a collection path or pass in the inventory when sticking to installation defaults, streamlining the initial setup process. Now let's jump to enhanced security. Security is paramount, and the latest update defaults to using TLS transport layer security across all services. Fortifying network security, users have the flexibility to use their own certificate or rely on those generated by the installer, offering both customization and convenience. Port changes. To mitigate potential conflicts, default UI ports has undergone adjustment, and here you can see the previous one that was quite unusual to more like a standard one. So automation controller changed from 443 to 8443. Ansible Automation Hub changed from 444 to 8444. And event-driven Ansible controller changed from 445 to 8445. This modification helps avoid clashes with existing application and can be customized further during installation. Now, automation mesh. The introduction of automation mesh capabilities to containerized installation mark a significant upgrade. Users can now incorporate hop and remote execution node right from the installation phase, enhancing the platform's flexibility and scalability. For example, to add a remote execution node, users can simply update their inventory file accordingly. In this case, there is one node, and as you can see, there is also a map how to configure. Event-driven Ansible. Event-driven Ansible improvement extend with decision environment. These being set up during installation, streamlining the integration of custom and supported DEs and associated credential resources. Networking and content seeding. Networking advancements include IPv6 support for the user interface, broadening accessibility. Moreover, the platform now embraces a configuration as code model for preceding automation content, extending capabilities to Automation Hub content like namespace and execution environment images. Automation Hub enhancement. The platform now supports collection and container signing, reinforcing security and integrity of automation resources. In summary, the latest updates of January 2024 to the Containerized Ansible automation platform underscore Red Hat's commitment to simplifying and securing enterprise automation. This enhancement not only streamlines the installation process but also introduces robust security features, extend network capabilities, and improve content management. For those eager to explore these updates, the platform is available for download via the Red Hat portal with comprehensive documentation and an updated installation guide detailing the recent changes. As we progress toward general availability, this platform promises to redefine enterprise automation with its containerized approach. For more insight into the Containerized Ansible automation platform, stay tuned for future updates and happy automating. Have a great day! See you!